today's video, we're going to be looking at creating connectivity between your Azure virtual network and your local network on-premise. For the purpose of this video, we'll be using a virtual network gateway in Azure and a Cisco ASA 5506 on-premise. To start with, in Azure, we need to create two resources. We need to create a local network gateway and a virtual network gateway. The local network gateway is basically just a placeholder for your on-premise information, so it'll have your one IP address and the local subnet that you'll be encapsulating for VPN traffic. The virtual network gateway is the appliance based in Azure. Once we've got these configured, we'll go into the virtual network gateway to create the connection. For the purpose of this video, I've pre-created this virtual network gateways that take about 40 minutes to procure. You can create these using the Create a Resource wizard within Azure and searching virtual network. To create the connection, we go to Connections and click Add. We'll give our connection a name. We need to change the connection type to site and choose the local network gateway that we've pre-populated with the details of our local network. At this point, we need to make a secure pre-shared key. And we'll take a note of this for later. We hit OK and the connection will begin to create. The connection should only take a couple of minutes to create. We'll show in here shortly with the status of updating. Now that we've got our connection in here, we can now create a connection from the ASA. To demonstrate what this is doing, I'm going to leave a continuous ping open to the domain controller that we have deployed within the Azure environment. As you can see at the moment, it's just timing out as there's no connection in place. Open up ASDM, go to Wizards and Site-to-Site VPN Wizard. We'll need to grab the peer IP address, which can be found on the Virtual Network Gateway overview. I'm going to take a note of this while it's on my other screen. Just for your reference, it's under the Public IP address section and overview. Here we'll select the local network that we're encapsulating. We need to make sure that this matches what is on our Azure resource. And then the remote network is the Azure network. I've created this as an object on my ASA. Under pre-shared key, we will put in what we created earlier. And we need to exempt network address translation. This displays our config and we hit finish. This will then attempt to bind the VPN link and shortly we should see traffic starting to flow. As we can see, after about a minute, our traffic's starting to flow back from our domain controller. We can now use this in a on-premise configuration and use it as an example, a backup domain controller for our primary. We can then treat this as any on-premise appliance and log on through remote desktop, for example, as can be shown here. I hope this video has been useful, and for any tips or any other further queries, please get in contact through the normal contact page. Thank you, goodbye.